What's the meaning of am-dram? Am-dram. 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 Am-dram.
The term am-dram is a shortening of the phrase amateur dramatics, and it refers to the practice of non-professional individuals performing in plays or musicals either for their own enjoyment or for the entertainment of others. As opposed to professional theater, am-dram productions typically have lower budgets, fewer resources, and less experienced performers. Nevertheless, am-dram groups often provide a valuable outlet for creative expression and community building, and the resulting productions can range from charming and endearing to surprisingly impressive given the limitations.